Greetings. On behalf of the Emirates Society of Ophthalmology and during the Cataract Awareness Campaign Week, we'd like to invite you to the Manual Small Incision Cataract Surgery workshop. In collaboration between the International Small Incision Cataract Surgery Society and the Emirates Society of Ophthalmology. With a newer development in the field of cataract surgery removal, small incision cataract surgery stands out as an alternate procedure in many challenging cases, such as hard cataract, pseudoexfoliation, or corneal haze. Thus, it would be of great experience to widen your skills and experience in this field. This two-day workshop will review various techniques, skills, utility, progress, and many much more that will be delivered by experienced surgeons in the cataract field. Hurry up and register. Limited seats are available. See you in Dubai.